Alright, come on.
Oh, okay.
She's doing a cinnamon challenge.
Oh, shit. Thank you for getting my drink back. I'm gonna throw up on the
There.
next you get.
Alright, come on. Let's do this.
Stop stalling.
Okay! I hate cinnamon.
But one of you have the place where you can see it.
Oh, God. My tongue hurts.
Amazing. You want some of my drink? Just don't open it. I'm kidding about that. You
I
can
need
have
a
it.
napkin.
Okay, I
Oh,
brought
God.
some of those. Okay.
Oh, get out of my mouth.
Okay, sorry.
Ah! Oh.
Can I stand over there?
Oh, God.
Oh. Oh, if it's coming back up, at least you know I swallowed it.
Actually, most of it's right there.
Oh, this would have been so much more fun if we were doing it in the snow.
No, it wouldn't.
Oh,
Okay.
Are you done?
yeah.
Woo! Yeah!